Hold up.
Well, hi, hello, babes. Lexi Luxury here. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as I'm sure you can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing Causebox. This is my first time ever working with them, ever trying one of their boxes before. The tea on this is that it is a quarterly subscription service. You can pay for the whole year and it's only $49.95 per box, or you can pay quarterly, like as the box comes out, and it's only gonna be $54.95. What's awesome is that there's over $200 worth of product in here. What I think is even cooler is that every single product in here is ethically sourced and just promotes a better lifestyle. I think that is so freaking cool. There's so many little like subscription services and boxes going around these days, and something that's going to make you feel better about making the purchase, okay? Like, I'm here for it. Anyways, I cannot wait to dive into this thing. I think that the idea behind this is amazing. I love that they're doing something a little bit different to compete with all the other boxes out there. But y'all know the drill. Before we get started, we have to go ahead and announce our comment winner for today. Shout out to our comment winner. If you guys want to be featured in my next video as a possible comment winner, all you gotta do is leave a bomb-ass comment in the comment section down below. Anyways, trying to keep this intro short and sweet, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big-ass thumbs up if you like it already. All right, I'm wasting no time, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So we're just gonna open her right up, and right off the bat, I see a little pamphlet on top. Everything's nicely packaged. We've got a cute little pattern on the inside of the box. Okay, so going over the contents that are gonna be in the box. Oh, there's actually like cool content in here. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep going through this because I've already seen some spoiler alerts of what's in here, so we're just gonna set that off to the side. These are some full ass products in here. Can we just have a moment for what I'm looking at right now? Do y'all see like the size of these items? And this box is like, it's hard to hold this up right now. Honestly, I'm gonna set it back down. Okay, so first of all, there's a postcard in here. First thing I noticed right off the top, these cute ass hair clips, and look at how adorable these are. You guys know I'm getting more into like my trendy hairstyles, and this is like, we're gonna wear her. Next thing I see in here is this little box. Daily hair vitamin. Y'all, you know I'm trying to grow out my hair. Nourish your hair with all the love it needs in one easy leave-in solution. This is by Vitaviv, V-I-T-I-V. First of all, silicone-free, formaldehyde-free, cruelty-free, natural ingredients, gluten-free, paraben-free. We're sold. Okay, contents of the box include a cute little comb. Nice touch, nice touch. Here is the daily hair vitamin here. So like they said, it is a leave-in treatment. I'm actually pretty excited to try this. It does come with a little pump as well. All right, next thing I see in here, I'm not exactly sure, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is by Samara. Oh no way, it's a jewelry box. Y'all know I'm getting more into my accessories lately, and y'all know I travel a lot as well. And it's honestly so cute. Like, this color is, I'm gonna use that. All right, next thing, the cutest little earrings. I was literally just talking about how I'm trying to get up on my accessory game. These like totally go with my aesthetic. Next thing I see in here is like a big box. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Whitney Kearney. A set of 2 mugs. I love mugs. Every morning, I start my day with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whatever I'm feeling that day, you know. So like my mug that I use for that day is like very important to me. Hello? Is this not my aesthetic or what? You guys, this is like already matches like everything that I own. I'm like very happy right now. Okay, so next we have convertible mittens from Sizu. Oh my god, my nails look so cute in this thing. Okay, I'm definitely getting an Instagram pic in these. Like, this needs to happen. Even though, you know, it was literally 80 degrees in Florida today. We love a good global warming moment. Next thing, Artisan Direct. Not sure what's inside here, so we're gonna find it out. Oh, first of all, this packaging was made with 100% recycled cotton handmade paper, and you can tell it has like a different texture to it. Whatever is in here feels heavy. This is beautiful. Like, all of my other kitchen utensils are gonna be so jealous. Okay, wait, there's another one, there's another one. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is beautiful. And these are useful, you know? Like some other boxes, I feel like they give you things and it's like, oh yeah, this is super cute, but like I don't really have a use for it. The mittens, the mugs, the jewelry box, the hair accessory, the earrings, these guys, like I'm gonna actually use every single one of these. We're gonna go ahead and finish up. We have a Pure 4-in-1 correcting primer. Ooh, you know I love a good primer. And I love trying out new ones, so I'm excited for this. Ooh, that's nice. It's like hydrating a little bit. I wonder what's in here. By the way, this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, and talc-free. We love that. This has aloe, coconut water, and probiotics in it. Last thing in this box that I have been eyeballing since I opened it, this guy. Pretty sure this is a blanket. I'm gonna be pretty sad if it's not. Your girl loves some blankets. Let me just say that right now. We definitely have way too many. Mason's not stoked about it, but we're about to have another one. This is a beautiful blanket. I need to back way the fuck up so you can see what's happening here. Look at how beautiful this is, you guys. Like, this is a cute ass, this is like the one you put on the couch that you have as like a throw. Anyways, that's where this guy is from. And honestly, this blanket, like, I have it on my lap right now and it has such a nice weight to it, but the fabric honestly feels so good. Honestly, guys, everything in this box has been absolutely insane. Like, I'm so shook. I'm so happy with every single thing that was in here. Causebox, thank you so much for reaching out to me and wanting to collab. Like I said, every single item in here I'm going to use, and I'm not just saying that. So I would say 100% money well spent if you decide to get Causebox. You guys can use my discount code. Once again, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm going to leave this outro short. You guys know the drill. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a big ass thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I do all my daily content and all that good stuff. I love you all so, so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.